Alright, I wanted to give you folks a quick summary of my computer build that I've been debating to build for many months, and here it is finally completed. The case itself is a Corsair 200R mid case. As you see on the top of it, came the motherboard itself, which is a Asus Z87 Pro. Came with the built-in Wi-Fi, so there's the antenna of it on top. The drives that I decided to put in, as you see on the bottom one, is the flash card memory drive. Then I have the LG DVD burner, along with the fan controller itself. And the fan controller itself, right over here, as you can see, is an NZXT. Alright, we take a look on the inside right now. I got two 240 gigabyte hard drives in it. One of them's the Kingston, and the other one's Kronos. Also, I have taken from my old computer. I have the I have two of them taken out of my old computer. One of them is the Western Digital 1 terabyte drive, basically used for for storage of pictures and stuff. And my main one is, which I'm using right now, which is also in there, is my Seagate 3 terabyte. The power supply itself is the Thermaltake Smart M850W, and the video card is the MSI R9270. On the top of it, as you can see, there's the radiator. It is the Corsair H100i. Memory inside is four 4 gigabyte RAM sticks in there, so it has a total of 16 gigabyte of RAM memory in it. Okay, underneath the video card, a little bit hard to see, but here it is. You have the TV tuner card made by Hauppauge, which I ripped out of my old computer and put into this new one here. And on the bottom over here, with the cable connected to it, that is the FireWire card, basically used to connect, some of my old camcorders. Even though I don't use it as much, but I still use it in case anybody else had to had an old video camcorder. Plug it right on into that. Some of the cables, I did the best I could. Try to keep the cables as nice and neat. I think for a first-time build, I didn't do a pretty bad job with it, as you can see over here. All the cables coming out. And, of course, there's the motherboard itself, which is the Z87 Pro. And, of course, here's your Corsair cooler, the fan itself. Basically, processor in it. Here it is right here. It's the Intel LGA 1150. It's the 4770K. Put enough money into it. The thing runs very well. I'm very happy about it. And just to go take a quick look at what's in the back of it here. As you can see. And there's the FireWire ports on the bottom of it. Followed by the TV tuner card. And the video graphics card over here. And there's all your connections. Over here, I'm pointing to this right over here. I'm using my cordless keyboard, my Microsoft. It's a lot easier. It's lesser cluttered underneath the desk, so I decided let me just use that. But that's the summary of it. I just wanted to show you folks what I built. And again, it's got Windows 8 in it, Windows 8.1 Pro. I put a lot of time and effort, and I'm just very happy that this computer is finally finished.